Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you to all of you for subscribing my channel and liking my videos. So this is the second part of the describe image. In my previous video, I already discussed with all of you ki how you will attempt the line graph, bar graph, map and the pie chart. So I also discussed with all of you ki what is describe image, how you will going to attempt the describe image and how you are going to follow the layouts. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss how you will attempt the like pictures, tables, floor plan and the process cycle, because most of the time most of the students will get like only the bar graph and the line graph, but you can also get some pictures, some tables and some floor plan in front of you in the final PT exam. So this is my contact number, because most of the time I get queries from the students ki your WhatsApp number is not working. So it's not my WhatsApp number. You can call me on this number anytime, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So if you have any doubts, then you can also write in the comment box, and sometime if you are not able to reach on my contact number, then you can also mail me amarpteclasses@gmail.com. So let's start the video. So this is the process cycle, because most of the time if you have a process cycle in front of you in PTE, so you will not have an enough content. Means if you have less content, then you can repeat the content, but after 4th of November 2024, you have to aware of ki you can't repeat every point of the content. So sometime you must have a capability ki how you can explain the process cycle, because if you can find out ki what is given in the image, so after that you are able to describe your image so in your words. So now if you will see this image, so in this image you have nothing, so you can only see the pictures in the front of you. So this is the tomatoes, so you can say ki this is the picture of tomatoes, so this is the tree of tomatoes. So if we will talk about in the layman language, so this is the truck full of tomatoes, and here you can say ki there are two part of the tomatoes, like one tomatoes are going in this basket and other tomatoes are going this basket, and after that again this is a basket full of these tomatoes, and after that this is the final basket. So this is the way how you can differentiate the different kind of things, but you have only 25 seconds, so remember this point. So practice different kind of images so that you can get good score in the describe image, because if you are getting good score in the describe image, then you can also improve your score in the PTE speaking. So let's start this example. So this is the tomato processing cycle, the process cycle. So you can say that this is the image type, provides information related to the tomato processing cycle. This was the first line. The primary features highlighted in the image are tomato tree, transportation, filtering and packaging. So this is tree, this is the transportation and this is the packaging. So this is the filtering, because you can say ki one tomatoes are going in this basket, others are going in this basket, means they are doing filtering. So after that this is the transportation of the good tomatoes. Now, in the first step, it presents tomatoes on the branches of the tree. So this is the first step, and this is the second step. So in the second step, tomato transportation by the blue truck. You can also mention the color. Third step is of filtering of good and bad tomatoes. So this is the filtering of good and bad tomatoes, you can say, followed by the packaging of good tomatoes. So this is the filtering. After that, we are just packaging the good tomatoes. The final step is the processing of good tomatoes, and it is ready for the customers. So this is ready for the customers. So this is the way ki how you will attempt the process cycle. So similar, if you will have any queries and if you are facing difficulties, then you can also send me the images. You can also discuss with me ki how you will attempt it. So next is the table. So table is little bit easy. So this is the heading. Most of the time you will get heading for the table, and table is given in this form. So if you have only one column, so here you can say ki we have three columns. In the first column year, then in the second column it's the racial or the ethnic minority enrollment, and in the third column it's the percentage of black of African American enrollment. So if you have only two columns, then you can easily attempt it, but if you have only three columns, then you can cover these points, but you can choose the data only from the one column. So this is the main heading. So let's do this example ki how you will put these keywords in the layout or in the structure or in the template of a table. The table provides information related to the fall post-secondary enrollment for undergraduate and graduates. So this is the heading, this is the table image type, and this is the heading fall post-secondary enrollment for undergraduate and graduates. The primary features highlighted in the image are ethnic minority enrollment and the African American enrollment. So these are the primary feature: ethnic minority enrollment and the African American enrollment. Initially, it presents data regarding from year 2010 to 2020. Additionally, it compares years with the percentage, because it is also comparing years with the percentage of these two keywords. The highest value is represented by 43.9% in 2020, and the lowest value is represented by 36.1% in 2010 for the ethnic minority enrollment. So you have only 35 seconds, so that's why I am just taking only this one column. Overall, the image shows data related to the fall post-secondary enrollment. So this is the way ki how you will going to attempt the table. So if you have only two column, then it's easy for you. But if you have only two column, then it depends on you ki which column you are choosing, because you have to answer only in the 35 seconds. So this is all about table. So if you have queries, then you can write in the comment box. So this is the picture. So in picture, sometime you can guess from the picture. So for example, you are getting an image of the market, vegetable market, fruit market. So from there you can pick up the content. But now, because if you will get a picture like this, then most of the student will say ki what I will say, ma'am. So this is about, you can easily understand. For example, now you are hearing my video. So you are using your mobile phone, you are using your laptop. So this is about keyboard. So this is about the postures. So this is the postures of hand for the left hand side, and this is the position, you can say also ki position of your hands on the keyboard, and this is the wrong position. So you can mention here, because they are showing the lines. So it means ki this is the right position of the hand and this is the wrong position of the hand. But you have also answer for 35 seconds. So keep in your mind ki how you will get an answer in 35 seconds. So I am going to discuss this example also. So this is also about keyboard, and this is also about keyboard. So this is the hand in the parallel position, but these are the hands in the different positions. So this is the hand, this is the position of the hand in the right position, and this is the position of the hand in the wrong position. So let's do. The picture provides information related to the hand's position during typing, because this is the typing and this is the hand, so this is the content. So first line is, I am repeating the first line. The picture provide information related to the hand's position during typing. In upper left area, because this picture is divided into two areas. So this is the upper left, this is the lower right. In the upper left area of the image, two hands are in the parallel on the keyboard and it shows right position. In the upper half of the right side of the image are two hands at the different angles which shows wrong position. So you can say ki in the upper half, in the left hand side, these two hands are in parallel and they are showing the right position, and on the right hand side of the upper half, these hands are not in the right angle, so they are showing the wrong position. So this is about the upper half of the image. So what about the lower half? So this is the lower half of the image. So let's talk about the left hand side of the lower half. In the left lower half of the image, a hand is parallel to the keyboard, shows the right position, but in the right side of the image are two hands are bent and it shows the wrong position, because these hands are parallel to the keyboard. So this is the right position of the hands, and this is not a parallel to these hands are bent, so you can say that this is the wrong position. So this is the way how you are going to attempt a picture. I am repeating it again. So this is upper half of the image, this is the lower half of the image, this is the left part of the upper half, and this is the right position. Two hands are in parallel, but these two hands are not in parallel with each other, they are at the different angle, so this is the wrong position. So in the lower half, you can say ki left hand side, this hand is parallel to the keyboard, right position, and these two hands are bent, so these are in the wrong position. So this is the all about picture. So how you will conclude your picture? Overall, the image shows data related to the typing gestures, because this is the gesture. They are not giving the practical way, they are just showing it ki how you are going to attempt this. So this is the floor plan. So you always get a floor plan like this, because your floor plan will always divided ki this is the upper half, this is the lower half, this is the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So you always mention left hand side and the right hand side depends upon your floor plan. So you can guess from here, floor plan can be from any office, can be from any house, and from the kitchen also, and you will get any kind of floor plan on your screen. So this is the main hall, but you can guess ki this is the floor plan, this is the office, this is the kitchen. So main hall is on the left hand side, on the right hand side, because this is the area of the main hall. But if you will say before, you can say lower than main hall, then it is divided into two parts. First is the office, then right hand side is the toilet. So toilet is again divided into three parts: male toilet, female toilet, then handicapped. And in office we have a office, then we have a kitchen. So this is the way ki how you will divide the floor plan. The picture provide us, because this is also picture, or you can also say the floor plan. The floor plan also provided us information about the main hall, or you can say about the office. Otherwise, you can also say the picture provides us information about the floor plan, because it depend on you. Everybody mind is different, so everybody will get different kind of keywords in their mind. So you have to speak, don't stop, but keep in your mind ki what you are going to speak. This was the first line. The primary feature highlighted in the image are the main hall and office, kitchen, and the toilets. This was the second line. The upper half of the floor plan is covered by the main hall, because this is the upper half and lower half is divided into two parts. So upper half of the floor plan is covered by the main hall. The lower half is divided into two parts, as it is clear from the picture. The left area is covered by the office and the kitchen, and the right area is covered by the male toilet, female toilet, and the handicapped. Overall, the picture provides information about the floor plan. So if you are not sure ki what is the floor plan, what is it is about, so you can mention ki this is a floor plan. So you can also use the word picture, because you are getting picture in front of your screen. So this is the way, this is two areas, upper half, lower half, but lower half is divided into again two areas. So in left area it is office and kitchen, and in right area these are the keywords that are given on your screen. So this is the way. So I took these examples from the AP Uni, but if you have any queries, then you can write in the comment box. But don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends also. Thank you so much.